the breeze on this summer night, cruising down the road, everything feels right. Laughter echoes as we drive through the town. Music's playing, we ain't slowing down. Drive on, heartbeats in sync. Under the stars, we'll never miss a wink. Feel alive with the wind.
Touch grass. Do you know rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh no! I beat you! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! I beat you again! This time, you go scissors, okay? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! I told you to go scissors, shoot! You're so friendly. Good morning, guys! Now morning. Eating breakfast, tapos mag-aayos na kami and we're gonna go
when the sunrise has become the only one to make you smile. Take a deep breath and just think of your worth. Are they really worth your while? Don't settle for less, babe. You need to
It's so pretty.
Cause once they know that you're gone, babe, guess who'll be running back? Yeah, it's driving.
Hindi ako nakagawa ng DIY necklace ko ng hintas. So, mag-ano kami. Bibili kami kwenta. So, kasi yung mga seashells.
Let's see the Anel over there. It's like a dragon's boat.
Oh, yeah.
That's dragon boat. That's dragon boat. That's it. Tell Daddy to remove the towel over there, but she said swimsuit. Swimsuit? Take off her swimsuit in the middle of the beach. Hilarious.
Hilarious.
I mean, what kind of baby will have no swimsuit at the beach?
Sobrang sikip na ito, literal na. Hindi talaga papasok dito yung tubig. Which is the purpose? Here comes the sun.
Anel! Kanina pa nakapos.
Pabalik na kami sa unit. Magsa-shuttle kami. What are you making?
Small. Mom allows me to be the one to put it in the oven, but this one is too high. I need 10.
4, 3, 2, 1.
And now just gonna. It makes it stretchy.
Stir chef. Sobrang sarap.
Just let go also.
Dito lang ako nakakita ng color blue yung ulap.
Ulap?
Oo. Yung sky.
Sabi ang ulap sa sky, ha?
Ano masabi ko?
Ulap. Ano patingin mo?
Saba. Color blue yung ulap. Ulit. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng blue na sky. Sky na blue. Gets nyo na yun. Bye-bye! Sige, papakita ko sa inyo yung outfit check ko. Joke lang. Panoorin nyo kung kumain. Labas ako sa bed. Coming with me?
Saw them.
Where?
Oh, we saw them to chase me around.
Pwede ba kumuha na ito?
Can I tell you a little secret? Something I
Amira wants to learn how to swim.
I feel like it's you that I needed. I wanna see you every day, but I'm not sure if it's true. I've never caught feelings before, and I'm not sure if it will last. But do you maybe wanna?
Merong stall sa sidewalk. Pupuntahan namin kasi may mga foods daw doon.
With your hair,
Isaw, oh my gosh.
that I care. It's okay, I'm probably annoying, but your low-key feels nice when you hug me. It's hard for me to answer the question why.
That's so pretty. Ate, okay na po yung mais namin. Tatlong mais.
But I'm just shy. Guess that I'm just shy.
Salamat po. We got our corn. Inat. Mamayang 6 PM daw. Magre-release sila ng Turtles. Maghintay kami ng 6 PM dito. Sinulungan na eh.
Kasi dapat, lalayo sila. Kasi tapos sila.
Hindi to aesthetic. We're gonna go back na. Binili na yung atali. Seashell. So, itong matagal ko ng punto. Ito. That's all for beach vlog. Bye-bye! Packing the things in the car. Hindi ko kung bakit ako nagsasalita ngayon. Sorry kung weird ako magsalita buong video. Pero hindi ako sanay mag-talk sa camera. Sa mga vlogs ko. Joke lang ate! Go lang! Nagbe-video na.
Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so
Ang ganda ni Tita Babes.
love with you. Every moment.
Stop over kami dito. sa gitna ng kalsada. Lakas maka-your name ang atake, no?
Sweet like your cinnamon, sentimental feeling got me hazy. Used to FaceTime at 2 a.m. My ukulele used to drive you crazy. Now I feel like we're drifting again. I don't know what I can do to just keep you on my side. I need you on this ride called life. I don't wanna see you go. I don't wanna see you go away.